Financial problems remain the topmost challenges of everyone, whether as old or as young, whether as male or female, whether as couples or singles. It's a major challenge in a world that everything you need today comes with ease, if only you have the financial resources to handle it. Here is even the most important thing you need to hear about this challenge. There are so many problems you're facing today, and it's just normal to find oneself in these problems once in a while. But what is not normal is your refusal to flip it off and remaining unperturbed in the situation, not giving a damn about the problems. Some people have been out of school or jobs for many years, living on day-to-day basis by the mercies of God and what some of us would call luck. Now you wake up in the morning and suddenly a friend calls you, an old friend calls you and says, "Oh, I've just thought about you and I thought I should give you this 5K," and then you scream, "Oh Lord, what a miracle, thank you for all of that." Well, it happens. And some of you have had to sell everything that you have as assets and decided to put it in one business or the other with no financial freedom in sight. Everywhere you put the monies into comes back with disappointments, losses and all of that. Now you're even tired of listening to anyone talking about business advancements. You don't want to hear them. Some have a tough task with even paying bills, from house rent, school fees, health bills, to even feeding the home front. That's how serious it could get. There is no sane person, no normal person that wants to be in such mess. That's the truth. The question therefore is, would any sane person be going through these challenges and still decide to sit down as though nothing is happening to him or her? Now, if you must know this, when you hear some people develop heart attack, hypertension, and some other health-related issues, and then they eventually lose their lives, you may be wondering, why should this man or woman die this young? This is what I found out. Money on its own brings happiness, and happiness exists when your health is in good form. Now, to maintain a good health, you need money. You must not be under financial pressure. Even if you don't have all the monies in the world or in your bank accounts, there are certain daily expenses you should be able to cater for, and that can only come or be achieved if you have a source of income. So let me just give you 3 important advices today for free. This is definitely an ad. I'm actually advertising right now, but I am first of all interested in helping you to survive so that we can actually do business or collaborate. And this is it. These 3 important advices, I want you to decide on any one of them and start it right immediately. And I'm talking to those who are experiencing challenges, as I've mentioned earlier. People who do not have a job. If you have no source of income, or if you don't have, or if you have a job and it's not giving you enough. If you also want to start a business, or you have an idea to start a business and you don't have the capital to do so, I want you to listen. I'm talking to you. Number 1, find out about a product or service that people are buying currently on a day-to-day basis. For instance, health products remains one of the most important. Food is also in this category, and then another is telecoms, cooking gas, just so many of them. Find out one, and once you have identified that one, go ahead and approach the main dealers of these products and then ask them to give you their price list and also create a margin for you that can help you generate your income while you help them to sell those products online. You don't have to keep their products with you. You just advertise the products with the pictures and go get it from them to serve those people who have bought from you. Number 2, the next advice I want to give you now is for you to go out there and look for a banker who is currently in a good position and ask him or her to help you establish a POS business service with you as a partner, so you can manage it, and when you make money from it, both of you can share the profits. Now you need to do your research and understand how that POS business operates, so that you don't run at loss and develop a bad relationship with someone. But from the information I've also gathered, these guys make up to 100k, between 100 and 300k monthly. Now if you are strategic, you can make that much. The last advice is for you to actually go and watch on my YouTube page the various businesses I've talked about in the last few days, how you can start it and begin to make money. It includes auto repairs business, cooking gas business, building materials, so many of them. The opportunities here is massive, and you can actually start any one of it without a dime. Now let's talk about my book. This book, How to Start a Business Without Money. Now, for so many people, the title may just scare you, but then it's beyond just the title. This book is one of the most powerful business development, marketing and sales mastery book that you will ever find today. It's a book I wrote from my own personal experience, with my story of how I started selling LED lighting bulbs to selling land GSM phones, health products, real estate products, and many other things before I finally decided to set up my own real estate company, Trump Hills Real Estate, and my social media marketing agency, that's rocketsaleswithyou.com. Now, a few years ago, who would have ever imagined things could turn around like this? If I never busted the thoughts that I knew it all, and then sit down there and keep blaming people that would never for once come to my rescue, nothing would have changed for me. Now this is your chance to take that bold step that I took years ago, and here are some of the benefits I would be sharing with you once you get involved with me. First, once you get this book, you will be automatically added to our marketing and sales mastery group on Facebook, where I share thoughts with you on a one-on-one basis based on my experiences, as to be able to guide you through your own process so you can start also making money. Secondly, I'll be showing you various business opportunities I've researched so far, and we can both agree on the one you can start with at first. Thirdly, I will be showing you exactly how to set up your various social media pages like Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, WhatsApp, just name it, without a dime, so that you can start doing what you need to be doing to attract those who will eventually pay you, so you can help them sell their products on your own platforms. And after that, I will also teach you the exact steps of setting up your own ads accounts on some of these online marketing platforms, so that you can start promoting the products of those who have paid you to market and sell their products for them. Again, to be successful online, you must be good at creating content, ranging from text or written content to photos and videos, just like the one I'm creating here before you. There is what we call micro and macro contents. There is also what is called sales pitches for selling products. All of these are what has been phrased as copywriting, and this is the most important secret of online gurus across the world. Now I am going to take you through these processes and ensure that you can do it on your own. Now if you can't, you can also hire and pay professionals to do it while you enjoy the monies and your freedom. Now if you are the type that wants that income to keep coming, but you don't have the strength to learn all the skills, never worry. I have some secrets for you. I will show you how to hire these professionals to do the job for you, just like I said. All you need to do is stand in as the manager of your business, make monies, and pay those working behind the scenes for you. For example, You can hire someone to be posting contents for you, creating and posting contents for you on a daily basis across all your pages. I'm sure you would have noticed I do this on my own page as well. You can also hire someone to create videos. You can hire someone to create photographic contents and even upload the stuff to your pages. There are just so many professionals waiting for you to give them this task so they can execute it for you. All you need to do is monitor the execution of this task. And lastly, within the very first 30 days to 90 days, depending on your readiness, we will agree from the very first day to ensure that you have one of these businesses set up and running. I will be here to lend you more support. If you want to have me to collaborate with you in future so that you can set up your own within this number of time and start making your monies. And all I've said is just the tip of the iceberg. What you don't know is that there are countless business owners today that are looking for the perfect business partner like you that can actually help change their fortunes in business by bringing more sales for them. And that's where you fit in. It's such a business opportunity that gets you so busy if you want to be doing everything by you. But again, it is loved so much because it has the opportunity to give you unimaginable freedom, because you can automate things or easily get people to be doing the job for you while you just travel around and have more time with your family. And I've always advised, if you have a girlfriend or you have a wife, a spouse, please get her in or get him in so that both of you can do this. Before you go, make sure to click the link below this video and take a look at the enormous bonuses lined up for you to take advantage of once you get a copy of my book. Now, I'll say this: the decision whether to make income or not is all yours to make. Whether to start your own business or not is all yours to make. So I'll say, I'm waiting to see you on the inside. Bye for now. My name is Tim Abel.